according to our witnesses, ang sabi nila, and this is corroborated by several witnesses, may dala-dala pang isang box na pera, palabas, doon sa building o doon sa residence na dinadala nila doon sa sasakyan at ito'y punong-puno ng pera. Ang size ng box is around 24 inches by 24 inches by 12 inches. Again, according to our witnesses, ang sabi nila, hirap na hirap pang isara sa dami ng shabu na nilagay dun sa maleta, hirap na hirap silang isara. So when we did our reenactment, and based on the testimony, based on the observations of the witnesses, we calculated that there are about 200 kilograms of shabu that was actually seized. The group was led by a certain Police Superintendent Rodney Baloyo, who was then the intelligence officer of the Pampanga Provincial Office.
Is Police Superintendent Baloyo? Is it? Police Major is here. Let the record state that you took your oath, right? Can you please answer? And that you took your oath already, right? Okay, good. Sit down, please.
Mr. Chair, if I may proceed.
To call the
Yes,
with the people that you're referring to so that we would know who they are here. Thank you. Go ahead, please.
When General Petrasanta was the regional director, found out that we were investigating the case, he immediately relieved General Albayalde, who was then a police senior superintendent.
Pedro Santa was
Regional director. He was the
Regional
acting
director.
regional director of the Police Regional Office, Mr. Chair.
go ahead, please.
And immediately conducted its own investigation and filed a case against the team of Police Superintendent Rodney Baloyo. When we went